Welcome to the fourth lesson of SmartKnitter, Knit Instructions Level 1. Today, we will take a look at the Toolbar and Pen panel. We could use this button to switch to the Knit Spec module. This is the Pen panel. We will go through these functions one by one in this class. We could use this function to navigate around the canvas. Let's take a look at the Pen function. There are 4 types of pen: normal pen, dotted line, zigzag line, and airbrush. These can combine with different pen shape: square, round, and hollow. We could change the pen size here. 5.5 means the pen is 5.5 pixels in height and width. We could also change the pen color. Next, let's look at dotted line. This can also be used with square, round, and hollow pen. Edit the spacing and width to control how far apart each line segments are. This is the zigzag line function. We could also adjust the width and spacing of the zigzag. For the airbrush function, we could adjust the density and contrast to create different spray paint effect. Next, let's look at the shape section. These 4 types of pen can be used in combination with these shapes. Apart from drawing lines with cursor, we could also control the direction using up-down key for vertical line and left-right key for horizontal line. There are 2 modes for drawing curves, where you set the 3 points in different orders. Next, let's look at rectangle. Set the size for rectangle and press Enter. Next, let's look at diamond. In the Tool Details panel, we could set the border's stitch width and row height. We could also draw diamond with a cross on it. For the fill mode, we could set the border of the diamond in a different color. We could also use the diamond function to draw lattice. These are the 3 most commonly used lattice structures. Similarly, we could set the width and press Enter to create the desired lattice structure. We could also add extra X rows at the turning point. Switch to Knit Simulation layer to inspect the simulation. Apart from diamond, we could also draw polygon. We could use left-right key to rotate and up-down key to adjust the angle. Next, let's look at ellipse and circle. Similarly, we could set the width and height, then press Enter to create the desired ellipse/circle. Next, let's look at the toolbar on top. Define the area before using Cut Copy function. Toggle to hide, choose Show Ruler on the side. This long cursor function is used as a guide for easier alignment. Toggle to hide, show Zoom Up grid. This is only useful in color mode layer. Toggle to hide, show selected window. In transparent mode, color 0, background color, will not be copied. Center line is defined at fill point 0, which is located at the bottom center of the body. This marks the end of this lesson. Thank you for watching.